Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Let's make some air fryer sausages from fresh or frozen. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. That will go a long way in supporting a small channel like mine. This is a very simple recipe. It's actually very good for beginners. If you've never used an air fryer before, I recommend starting with this. And the best thing is no oil splattering about in the pan or a smelly kitchen from cooking oil. We're going to cook the sausages just as they are without adding any oil. So without much further ado, let's get to it. You want to start by placing the sausages in the air fryer basket. Do not overcrowd them, otherwise your air fryer won't function properly or cook properly. Set the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit, so about 180 degrees Celsius, and the time for 14 or 15 minutes. The cooking time will depend on how thick your sausages are. Next, you want to check on the sausages midway through cooking. And remember, we didn't use any oil because sausages are normally oily. So finally, just allow them to cook for the remaining time. Serve and enjoy once done. To cook frozen sausages, again place them in the air fryer basket, but this time at a lower temperature, 320 or about 160 degrees, for a few minutes to kickstart the defrosting process. You then cook them the same way as the fresh ones. You can use this recipe for any link sausages from kielbasa, Bratwurst, Italian sausages, chicken sausages, and so forth. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe as well as click on the notification buttons below so you get notified each time I upload a new video. I appreciate that you stopped by and that you watched my video. Thanks very much, and until next time, bye bye.